Am I audible? Let me just check the video and audio is clear. Am I audible to all of you? Hello? Good morning, Sainat. Am I audible? One second. Hello, all of you. Wait a second. I'm just setting up this video. There is some issue with the video screen. I think then let's start without the video screen. So I think the audio is very clear. So with the screen itself, we'll start the lecture. So is the screen visible now? Please mention in the comments if the audio is clear and the video screen is visible to all of you. Welcome all of you who joined the lecture. Bijal, Pranati, Sainab, Aparna, Kusum. Welcome all of you. So I think we can start the lecture. So this lecture is part of the video lecture series on speed math techniques. Today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will be discussing speed math techniques, especially how to do multiplication very easily. Multiplication of close together numbers very easily. That is what we are discussing. And for those of you who are new to this Unacademy platform, or those of you who are new to this lectures, my name is Christy Varghese. I am an author of CSIR and General Aptitude books. I have trained more than 15,000 students, and this is the intro of me. These are the books I have written. These books are available in Amazon and Flipkart. The latest editions are available in Amazon and Flipkart. Afifa, are you able to see the screen here? Screen means these slides you are able to see, I guess. And this is the intro of me. These are the other books I have written. And these are some free online resources you can access. After the class you can refer these slides to get these free online resources. And this is the details of the online course I'm launching. So this is available in the Play Store application Christy's Classes. You can check it in the Google Play Store Christy's Classes. And in Unacademy I give Unacademy Plus courses also. As you know, Unacademy Plus courses are courses where you can access full courses if you are taking the subscription in Unacademy. Okay, others, is it clear? The audio, is it clear to all of you? Yeah, I think one suggestion I can give is you can just check whether your YouTube settings, if you can raise the video quality there, then maybe your audio and video problem will be clear. I'm hearing through earphones, so it's alright. Okay. So anyway, as I told, in Unacademy I'm giving online live classes, that is Unacademy Plus courses. These are the plus courses I'm giving in Unacademy. Comprehensive course on general aptitude, that is currently running from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every day. Detailed course on speed math technique, that is the course I'm going to start from March 1 onwards. That will be a 45 hours session on speed math techniques, that is how you can do arithmetic faster. That is the focus of that course. That will be useful for any science stream student attending any competitive exam where aptitude is there, or in your subject part also it can help you a lot. So that are the two courses I'm currently running. And the courses I already completed, another course on speed math techniques I am already completed. So if you have an Unacademy subscription, you can access the previous classes I already completed also. Aparna, the next special class most probably will be after 3 days only, because today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow it will be YouTube live classes itself. Special classes most probably on Saturday there will be one. Yeah, as I was telling, the special classes are actually free courses which is available in Unacademy platform. So if you have the Unacademy application, or if you can access the Unacademy website, you can see the free courses there. You can just search the title Christy Varghese. There you can access all the free courses that I am offering. So this is the details of the plus courses I am offering. First plus course, as I told, timing most probably it will be 8 to 9 Aparna, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. morning. So in the general aptitude course, comprehensive course on general aptitude, I will be discussing all the topics of CSIR net part A section in detail, theory and previous question paper discussion and practice questions will be there. And these are the detailed schedule of it. This course will be over by Feb 27, and after that I will be starting the next course, Unacademy Plus course 2, that is speed math techniques course, detailed course on speed math technique using Vedic mathematics and mental arithmetic. So one course already completed, the next course will be starting from March 1 onwards. These are the topics we'll be covering there, and these are the detailed schedule of it. From March 1 it will start Mendel addition, Mendel subtraction, percentages, fraction analysis, growth analysis. So fraction analysis, growth analysis means when you see a fraction you can clearly say what decimal it is. That means division you can do very fastly looking at a fraction itself. And growth analysis means when you see something, this value is becoming this value, you will be able to say what is that value without doing any math. Those kinds of things are in that chapter. And multiplication will be devoting about 10 days to do multiplication. Multiplication using percentages, there is 2 classes for that. Then Mendel multiplication techniques we will be discussing in 5 different lectures, and in between there will be doubt clearance session for clearing your doubts. And after that we will start division. In 4 classes we will finish division, and then squaring numbers, square rooting numbers, cubing, cube rooting, and checking the accuracy of your answers. That is another topic we will be discussing, whether the answers you found, whether those arithmetic values are correct or not, how much correct it is, how much you can say estimate your answers, how much error is there. Those kinds of things will be there in that chapter. and finally calendar related techniques also will be there. In between there will be 2-3 quizzes to give you an idea how you can apply these things in your subject part. So to join these courses or to take Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use this referral code CC10 to get 10% discount on the course. Yes, Aparna, this is the Plus course starting from March 1 onwards. March 1 to March 30th. Timing will be 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every day. So you can tell to your friends also who like to take this course, detailed course on speed math techniques. That is the title of the course. Starting date is March 1 onwards. So that was an introduction. So as I told, Unacademy Plus subscription. Yeah, one more thing, Unacademy Plus subscription, if you are taking Unacademy Plus subscription, you are not getting access to my courses only. You are getting access to all the courses of all the educators in Unacademy for CSIR net category. So one single subscription for all the courses. So that more details we will tell towards the end of the class. So let me start today's lecture. Close together method. How to multiply numbers which are close together. This is a very effective method and this can be applied to a very variety of products. So I will show you with a very simple case. Before that, let me just tell you, by knowing this method, how much you can reach or which level you can reach. So I'll just tell you a multiplication but which can be done with this method. Or I will say 999.999986 into 9999994. This product in your paper math or in your calculator also, it will take time to type this, but it will not even take that much time if you are learning this method well. Close together method, if you understand properly, you can even do this multiplication in seconds. So that is the significance of this method. So by this method, by today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will be able to do this yourself without the help of anyone to multiply this big number, or if you want to make it more bigger, you can do that. Still you can multiply. So that is what you are going to learn. So let's start by a very small examples and then we will build upon it and go to bigger numbers. So first we will take numbers near to 100. Numbers near to 100, how to treat them. Numbers near to 100 means sorry, I'll take for example 96 into 93. 96 into 93 to multiply this. To multiply this in your paper math, how you used to do this? 96 into 93 means you will do 3 into 6, 3 into 9, use the carry, and then 9 into 6, 9 into 9, write it down and then add it up. But that is going to be a very time consuming method. Or when the numbers are 96, 93, it's okay. What if it is 996 and 993? Then it will be more complicated. But this method, however big the number is, the method is same for all those numbers if the numbers are close together to each other. Yeah, the meaning of close together means here the numbers 96 and 93 are close together to each other. They are close together to each other and they are close together to a multiple of 10. Yeah, that is what I have written here. Close together method is a method used when two numbers are nearer to a multiple of 10. So first we are telling about multiples of 10, that is multiples powers of 10. Near to 100, near to 1000, near to 10, near to 10,000, those kinds of that. Then we will just shift this method to what if it is multiple of 10 only. For example, near to 20 what to do, near to 30 what to do. So that we will discuss tomorrow and day after tomorrow lectures. So 96 into 93, both are near to 100. If both are near to 100, what you have to do was 96, 93. How much it is near to 100 you have to find. How much it is near to 100. 96, how much near it is to 100? Minus 4 away. Yeah, it is minus 4 because it is below 100. because the same method we are going to use above 100. So if it was 104, you would have used the distances plus 4, or simply speaking, distance means number minus 100, number minus 100. The first number is 96, 96 minus 100 is minus 4. Similarly, minus 3 is how much away from 100? It is minus 7 away. Na? So what you did is distance 1 and distance 2 you wrote. Distance 1 means distance of first number from 100. Distance 2 means distance of second number from 100. Now the next step is first number plus distance of second number. First number plus distance of second number. 96 plus distance of second number. 96 plus minus 7. 96 plus minus 7 means 89. Then the next step is minus 4 and minus 7 you have to multiply. Minus 4 and minus 7 you have to multiply. Minus 4 and minus 7 if you multiply, what you will get? It is plus 28, and just write that plus 28 and believe me, that is the answer. 8928 will be the product of this 96 into 93. Did you all understood what we did here? I'll show you more examples to give clarity. 96 into 93 will be 8928. One more example we will discuss. If it was 85 into 97, 85 into 97, what you have to do? First I will show with steps. After that we will skip the steps and directly write. 85 is minus 15 away from 100. 97 is minus 3 away from 100. So we got the distances. If we got the distances, it is very simple. First number plus the distance of second number. First number plus distance of second number. That means 95 plus minus 3. 85 plus minus 3. That is 82. Comma means after that you have to attach the product of the distances. Minus 15 into minus 3. Minus 15 into minus 3 is plus 45. So that is 8245 will be the product. Did you all understood this? 8245, why it is a product? Did you all understood this? Please mention in the chat if you have understood. Yes. Okay. Because through the chat only I will know whether there is an issue with the audio or video. So please mention in the chat. I will be able to see only the chat screen through my mobile phone. So I am not able to hear the voice whether it is hearing there or not. So please mention in the chat. Okay. So 8245 will be the answer. So shall I give one example for you to try yourself? What if I'll give an example 94 into 95. 94 into 95. Please try it. 94 into 95. Eight nine 3 0 sign up got, Bijal got 8930, Aparna got 8930. So shall I explain? Pranati got 8930. So 94 and 95. 94 is minus 6 away, 95 is minus 5 away. So 94 plus minus 5. Number, first number plus distance of second number. So 94 plus minus 5 is what? 94 plus minus 5 is 89, and then multiply the complements or multiply the distances. Minus 6 into minus 5, that is 30. Attached to that, that is 8930 will be the product. 8930 will be the product. Now I will take one case here. Yeah, now before that, let me just ask you, can you think about why this method works? Can you think about why this method works? Or there may be some reason for this method, na? 1 second, I'll just take a new slide. So, any idea why this method works? For example, let's take another example to demonstrate what is happening behind this method. So I'll take the example 93 into 91. 93 into 91. 93 is minus 7 away. 91 is minus 9 away. 93 plus minus 9. First number plus distance of second number. Distance of second number from what? Distance of second number from 100. That means 93 plus 91 minus 100. That is what you are actually doing. That is 93 minus 9, 84, comma, multiply the complements. Multiplying the complements means what you are doing actually. 93 minus 100 into 91 minus 100 you are multiplying. Anyway, minus 7 into minus 9 is 63. So 84, 63 will be the answer. So actually if you write this down in detail, 93 into 91, what you are actually doing is, you are writing 93 as 100 minus 7, you can say. 100 minus 7, and this is 100 minus 9. And if you just expand it, you will understand why this method works. So for the time being, we are rewriting it as 100 minus 7, 100. Exactly, Vijay. So can you just try expanding this and see how you can make this method, or how this method originated? Can you just try it? Or if you am giving some time for you to try yourself, if you are not understanding, I'll just explain. Parallelly, I am giving you 5 examples also to try. So please try these examples also, 5 examples for all of you to try. I asked you to derive that method because there is one case. For example, in the third case, when you do this method, there can be one problem that can occur. You can try yourself and understand what is that problem. In the third case also there is a problem that can occur. In fourth and fifth case also there is a problem that can occur. So all of you try this 5 questions and then we will explain more what is a problem and how that can be cleared. I'm giving you 1 minute because 1 minute is more than enough for 5 questions, because 1 question 20 seconds, that is more than enough. So all of you try these 5 questions. Okay, Aparna got first one, Vijay first and second. All of you mention like that. A, what is the answer? B, what is the answer? C, what is the answer? Okay, first one, how you can do 88 into 97. How you can do 88 into 97? Yeah, after doing 1 or 2 questions, you should be able to do it without writing steps. 88 is minus 12 away, 97 is minus 3 away. So what you are going to do? 88 plus minus 3, that is 85. Then minus 12 into minus 3. Minus 12 into minus 3 is plus 36, that is 8536 will be the first answer. Yes, Aparna, Vijay. Both of you are right. Sign up also. Kusum also. Very good. Then second question. What is second question? 78 is minus 22 away from 100. 96 is minus 4 away from 100. So 78 first number plus distance of second number. 78 minus 4 74. Comma minus 22 into minus 4. Minus 22 into minus 4 is what? Plus 88. So 7488 you are getting. So I think many of you got 7488. Bijal got the right answer. Kusum got the right answer. Sign up got the right answer. Very good. So till then it is okay. But the third case, what is happening in the third case? All of you try it. Third, fourth and fifth case. Now try it. After all of you mentioned the answer. Sign up got the answer for all the 5 questions. Very good. Yeah. And there is one problem there, sign up. I will explain that. Giving you one more minute for all of you to try. Okay, Vijay, no problem. Okay, so third question, I think third, fourth and fifth question many people got confused. So I'll just explain what happens there. 98 into 97, if it is a third question, 98 into 97, I'll elaborately explain here. 98 is minus 2 away, 97 is minus 3 away. So 98 plus minus 3, 98 plus minus 3 means 95. Till then it is okay. Then minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 you are getting 6. But don't write it 6. 956 is not going to be the product because 98 that big a 2-digit number into 97 that big a 2-digit number. You are not going to get a 3-digit number like 956. That is another topic we are going to discuss in the plus course. How to understand when you are multiplying two numbers. How big is that number? You can easily say by looking at the numbers itself. That we will discuss in accuracy check chapter. So anyway, here you can clearly say this is not going to be 956. When you are getting 6, you have to make it 06. Or simply speaking, this product should only be a 2-digit answer. When it is near to 100, it can only be a 2-digit answer. Did you all understood this? This product should be a 2-digit answer. Why it is so, I will explain now. Before that, let's go for next example also. 9506 will be the answer. It is not 956, it is 9506. All of you understood now? I haven't told the reason why you are putting 2-digit number. That reason I will show you now. But before that, we will go for fourth and fifth case because there also there is such a problem. 96 into 75. 96 into 75. 96 is minus 4 away. 75 is minus 25 away. So 96 plus minus 25. 96 plus minus 25 is what? 100 minus 25 is 75. So 96 minus 25 is 71. Comma minus 4 into minus 25. Multiply the complements or multiply the differences. 4 into 25 is 100. 100 is a 3-digit answer. Na? But you are not supposed to write a 3-digit answer here. You are only supposed to write 2-digit answer. 100 you are getting, but you will write only 00, the last 2 digits, and the 1 you will write it to the next step. 71 plus 1. 1 you are carrying to the next step. So 71 plus 1, 7200 will be the answer. 7200. Did you all understood this? It is not 71100, it is 7200. Because the product should be a 2-digit answer. If you understood that, then can you try the fifth question now? Now you will get the right answer. I told you d1 into d2, the distances multiplying, you should get only a 2-digit answer when it is near to 100. Okay, Kavi, I will just explain once again. So what I was telling in this method is, okay, I will derive this method now, then come back to this. So all of you try the fifth question. Rehan, okay. Seven, 8, 3, 2 you are getting for the fifth question. So fifth question I am explaining now. 88 into 89. What you have to do is 88. How much distance it is from 100? You have to check. 88 minus 100. What is it? That is minus 12. 89. How much distance is away from 100? It is minus 11. That is distance 1 and distance 2. Distance of first number, distance of second number. Now you have to do first number plus distance of second number. First number plus distance of second number means 88 plus minus 11. 88 plus minus 11 is what? 77. Write it down. And then what you have to do? You have to multiply this distances d1 and d2. You have to multiply. Minus 12 into minus 11 you have to multiply. Minus 12 into minus 11 if you multiply. 12 into 11. We are going to discuss multiplication with 11 in another class. 12 into 11 is going to be 132. 132 is a 3-digit answer. Na? If you are getting a 3-digit answer, the last 2 digits you should be written and the remaining digit should be added to the next step. That is, this 1 should be added to the next step. So 77 plus 1, 7832 will be the answer. This is the idea. Is it clear now? Number, if you write it as an idea, n1, n2, if I am saying as numbers, and d1 and d2 are the distances of them, what you have to do is n1 plus d2. Distances means distances from 100. Then you have to multiply d1 into d2. n1 plus d2, comma d1 into d2. This is the idea. But that d1 into d2 should be only a 2-digit answer. Yes, I know this is very interesting. But can you just derive it, all of you? Anyone got the derivation? Why this method works? You can derive it in different ways. You can just derive, before that, when you are deriving, I will tell you a point that you can use. This comma, what is the meaning of this comma? After comma, I told you should write a 2-digit answer. After comma, you are writing a 2-digit answer means that is into 100 plus something. For example, 347. 3 comma 47. If that is a 3-digit number, you can write it as 3 into 100 plus 47. Na? 3 into 100 plus 47, you are writing it as 3 comma 47 or 347. Even if it is 23 comma 47, that is 23 into 100 plus 47 we can say. That means before the 2 digits we can express it as before that whatever number into 100 plus 47 or into 100 plus the number. Same thing here also. n1 plus d2 comma d1 into d2 means n1 plus d2 into 100 plus d1 into d2. That is what is happening there. So let's derive then why it is working. So I will show n1 plus d2 comma, I told you it is into 100 plus d1 into d2. This is the method we are doing. So n1 is what? First number. So for example, if I am taking the first example, 88 into 97. 88 into 97, what you are doing is n1 is 88 plus d2. d2 means 100 minus 97. 97 minus 100. 97 minus 100 into 100 plus d1 into d2. d1 into d2 means what? d1 into d2 means it is 88 minus 100 into 97 minus 100. Just expand this bracket and see whether it is same as 88 into 97 or not. whether you can prove that this is same as 88 into 97. If you can prove it so, that means this method works for all the cases, na? So what we have to do, Pranati, what I was asking is, can you derive this method, why this method works in all the cases? Because if you derive this, you will understand for whatever big number or small number how you can use the same. So for that, what idea I told is, you can just expand this and see whether this left hand side 88 into 97 can be obtained somehow from here. Then you can say that these two are same now. Or n1 plus d2 into 100 plus d1 into d2, can you prove that it is n1 into n2 itself? Because n1 into n2 are the numbers now. So that you can try or not, that is what I was asking. So try yourself, and I will come back to that point. If you are not getting yourself, I will derive it towards the end of the class. Before that, let's go for what if the numbers are above 100? What if the numbers are above 100? When numbers are below 100, all of you are clear? Please mention. When the numbers are below 100, is it clear or not? Please mention in the comments. Okay. Then we will go for numbers above 100. When the numbers are above 100, the method is exactly the same. But when it is above 100, the distance will be positive distance only. The distance will be positive distances. So I will take an example and explain. What if I am taking numbers 106 into 103? Here both the numbers are above 100. As I told, the method is, okay, Pranati, you proved, very good. Towards the end of the class, I will show the proof so that you can check whether it is same. 106 into 103. Same method like before. 106 is distance from 100 you have to find. What is the distance from 100? Distance from 100 is 6 away from 100. 106 is 6 away from 100. So 6 you wrote. Then 103 is 3 away from 100. So 3 you wrote. So that is distances, D1 and D2. So what you have to do? First number plus distance of second number. 106 plus distance of second number means 106 plus 3, 109, comma. You have to multiply the distances. D1 and D2 you have to multiply. 6 into 3 you have to multiply. 6 into 3 is 18. So 109, 18 will be the answer. 106 into 103 is going to be 10918. Again, when you are doing it in your paper math, that is a 3-digit number into 3-digit number multiplication. But in your Mendel arithmetic or using this Vedic math technique, you can just say that it is 10918 in less than 5 seconds if you are doing it mentally. So one more example for you to try. 112 into 104. 112 into 104. Can you try yourself? Here also, this distance 1 into distance 2, that should be a 2-digit answer. So reverse, here we have to add, right? No, there also it was adding up, na? But there it was negative distance. That is why adding a negative distance was subtraction. That's all. The method is same there also, here also. As I told, the method was first number n1 plus distance of second number, comma, distance 1 into distance 2. But when the numbers were below 100, this distance 2 was negative. That is why adding negative number appeared like a subtraction. That's all. Method doesn't change at all. It is n1 plus d2, comma, d1 into d2 only. Did you all understand this? So 112 into 104. 112, how much away from 100 you have to find? It is 12 away from 100. 104, how much away from 100 you have to find? 4 away from 100. So 112 plus 4. First number plus second distance. N1 plus D2, 116, comma, multiply the complements, multiply the distances. D1 into D2, 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is 48. So 11648 will be the product. Yeah, many of you got 11648. Sign up, just check. This 116 now, you subtracted it actually. This is a positive distance now. Yes, Vijay. That's why I'm saying don't get confused about the method. Method is this: first number plus second distance. It is always first number plus second distance. But the second distance being positive or negative, that determines whether you are adding or subtracting. No problem, Saina. So it is 11648. The product is going to be 11648. One more example for you to try. Or 5 examples for you to try now. Please try these 5 examples, all of you. Here also that carry rule happens. That is, if it is more than 2-digit number, you have to make it 2-digit numbers. Just mention your answers in the comments. So can you please take Unacademy special class evening? Actually, evening, the problem is I have already plus courses in the evening, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So finding time is a problem there. If there is a possibility, I will try to make special classes in the evening also. For the information of others, I am running special classes in Unacademy, that is free classes in Unacademy. So it is currently in 8 a.m. timing every day. Now the next class will be only on Saturday because those YouTube live sessions are there. That is why next classes will be on Saturday only. So all of you are welcome to that also. To attend that, you can just search Christy Varghese in Unacademy application. Unacademy learner application, you can download it from an Android Play Store, or you can just visit the website Unacademy. There you can just search my name, which is given here, Christy Varghese. So you can just search that in Unacademy profile. There you can see all the upcoming classes or all the classes that is already there, and all the previous special classes also you can access there. They all are free lectures itself, so all of you are welcome to access that also, and all of you are welcome to the further YouTube live classes also. Tomorrow there will be a YouTube live classes at the same time. We will be continuing this close together method for more complicated cases. So now we just took when the numbers are below 100, when the numbers are above 100. We are going to extend this when both the one number is above and one number is below, what to do. If time is there, we will start that today and continue that tomorrow. So anyway, I think all of you got enough time to try. First question, what is the answer for first question? Be careful in first question. 109 into 101. 109 is 9 away from 100. 101 is 1 away from 100. 109 plus 1. 109 plus 1 is 110, comma, multiply the products, multiply the distances, d1 into d2. 9 into 1 is 9, but don't write 9, it is 09 because it is a 2-digit answer always. It's a 2-digit answer always. Did you all understood this? 11009 will be the first question. Yes, Anu, Aparna, Bijal, all of you got the answer right? Okay. Then let's go for the second question. 149 into 102. 149 into 102, if you are doing 149, 102. 149 is 49 away from 100. 102 is 2 away from 100. 149 into, plus 2. 149 plus 2 is 151, comma, 49 into 2 you have to multiply. 49 into 2 is 98. So 15198 will be the answer. 15198 will be the answer. So Kusum got same answer, Sainab got same answer, Bijal got same answer, Samar got same answer. Very good. So let's take third example then. 141 into 103. 141 into 103. 141 into 103 is what? 141 is 41 away. 103 is 3 away. First number plus distance of second number. 141 plus 3, 144. Multiply the complements. 41 into 3. Be careful there. 41 into 3 is what? 40 into 3 is 120. 41 into 3 is 123. 123 is a 3-digit answer. You are only supposed to write 2-digit answer. The remaining should be carried out. That is, remaining leftmost digit 1 should be carried out. That means 144 plus 1. That is why the final answer is going to be 14523. Did you all understood this? Why 14523? Let me just check whether you got the same answer. Yes, Bijal, Sama, Kusum, Sainab, Anu, Aparna, very good. Same thing. So I think that is clear to all of you who are attending live now. So 14523 is the answer. If anyone have doubt, please ask. Same problem in the fourth question also, 114 into 108. Now we can do without steps. 14 away, 8 away. So 114 plus 8 you have to do. That is 122, comma 14 into 8 you have to multiply. 14 into 8 is what? 14 into 10 is 140. 14 into 8. Yeah, that kind of multiplication also we are going to cover. All the type of multiplication we will cover in the speed math technique course. 14 into 8, the easier way is 140 minus 28. 140 minus 28. There your Mendel subtraction skills matters a lot. That is how we build up this Mendel arithmetic course. First we will discuss subtraction, addition. With subtraction and addition you can do other operations very easily. Multiplication and division can be easily done if you know Mendel addition and Mendel subtraction. Without using pen and paper, you can subtract and add any big numbers. That will be the focus of the first two classes in the plus course that we are starting from March 1 onwards. So 14 into 8. 14 into 8 will be 140 minus 28. 140 minus 30 is 110. 140 minus 28 will be 112. 112 is going to be a 3-digit answer. So you are only supposed to write 12 there, and the remaining one should be carried to this 2. So it will be 122 plus 1, 12312. Is it clear to all of you? 12312. Why it is so? Yeah, Pranati, 10 into 8 plus 4 into 8, that is also fine. 14 into 8, you can split it like that. That is also perfectly fine. So 12312. Finally, the last question. 115 is 15 away. 112 is 12 away. 115 plus 12. 115 plus 12 is what? 127, comma 15 into 12. 15 into 12 is 15 into 10 plus 15 into 2. 150 plus 30, 180. 180 is a 3-digit answer. So you write only the last 2 digits 80 and add the 1 carried to 7. Add the 1 carried to 7 means answer is going to be 12880 finally. Did you all understood this? Is it clear to all of you? So that is this method all about. When the numbers are below 100, when the numbers are above 100, what to do we have discussed. But if we extend this method, how do you do 15 into 12? Yeah, that also, that's a very interesting question. Bijal was asking, what if the numbers are near to 10 only instead of near to 100? If it was near to 10, what happens? Same method itself. The only problem is that distances will be, okay, you are asking in this method or generally you are asking, Bijal? 15 into 12, easier way was 15 into 10 plus 15 into 2, Bijal. 15 into 10, 150, 15 into 2, 30. So 150 plus 30 is 180. Otherwise, you can use the same close together method also for that. Just as a matter of fact, I will just tell what if the numbers are near to 10. Because near to 10, we don't want to use this method. Because near to 10 numbers, you can do mentally also. Okay, by this method, you can easily do Bijal. So that I will just show. What if the numbers were near to 10, below 10 or above 10? For example, if it is 13 into 12. 13 into 12. No problem, Aparna. You're welcome. So 13 into 12. 13 is 3 away from 10. We are discussing about near to 10 now. So it is 3 away from 10. 12 is 2 away from 10 now. Same method. Number plus distance. 13 plus 12. 13 plus 2. 15. Comma. Multiply the complements. 3 into 2 is 6. And this should be a 1-digit answer here. It is 1-digit answer because we are telling about numbers near to 10 raised to 1. If it is near to 10 raised to 1, 1-digit answer should be distance multiplication. When it was near to 10 raised to 2, that is near to 100, you will write it as 2-digit answer because this will be the answer. Now 13 into 12 will be 156. Did you understand this? When it is near to 10 also, you can do the same method. Yeah, here the question was 15 into 12 now. 15 into 12 also you can do the same. 15 is 5 away from 10. 12 is 2 away from 10. So 15 plus 2, 17. 5 into 2 is 10. But 10 you cannot write. Only 1-digit answer you can write. The 1 should be added as the carry. So 17 plus 1, 18 followed by 0, 180 will be the answer. Did you understand, Bijal? Okay. So Yeah, now you can just derive what is happening here when it is near to 10. Then you can derive for near to 100 very easily. 15 into 12, what you did actually, 15 into 12 you can write it as 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 2 na. 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 2. If you just expand this, 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 2 was 10 into 10 plus 10 into 2 or 2 into 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 2 into 5. This is the expansion. Na? What is this 2 into 5? That 2 into 5 is a complement multiplication we are doing. Na? This 2 into 5 is the same 2 into 5 you are doing here. And what is this? This 2 you can combine. Na? This 2 you can combine like 10 plus 2 into 10. 10 plus 2 into 10 is what? 12 into 10. 12 into 10 plus 5 into 10. That you can combine. Yeah, actually you can combine like this. That will be easier. 1 second, let me just erase this. Look at this step. This 10, this 2, this 5, you can take inside 10 plus 2 plus 5 into common 10 na, because this 10 is there for all the three products, plus 2 into 5. About 2 into 5 I already told, that is the step, product multiplication. And now what is this? 10 plus 2 is 12, first number or second number, whichever number you want to take. Or you can just take 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 plus 2 is this na. 10 plus 5 plus 2 means what? First number plus second number distance. First number plus second number distance into 10. This into 10 is there. So this is actually 15 plus 2 into 10 plus 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. So that is first number plus second number distance into 10. Into 10 is what I am saying, that after comma put a 1 digit number, because into 10 plus something is always after that number you have to just put a 1 digit answer. Did you understand? That is why it is 15 plus 2, 17 into 10 plus 10. 17 into 10 plus 10 is 170 plus 10, 180. For that we are just, in shortcut we are just saying that this is just 15 plus 2 comma 5 into 2. Did you understand the derivation? Now I will show you what happens if it is near to 100. For example, in the case of 97 into 93. Why you are doing so, I will explain with this example itself. 97 you can write 100 minus 3 now. 93 is 100 minus 7, or 94 I can take it to avoid confusion. 100 minus 6. Now you are opening up the bracket. 100 minus 3 into 100 minus 6. How we do 98 into 17 with this method? You cannot do 98 into 17, Pranati. 98 into 17, yeah, if you relate it to 170 you can do, but that is little more confusing. So I will show you another method for that. Both the numbers are not close together to 10. Yeah, the question Pranadi mentioned, that is not close together to 100, but still you can make it. So anyway, 100 minus 3 into 100 minus x. What I am showing now is the derivation for why this method works. So look at this. You are opening up the bracket. 100 into 100. A minus b, a minus c. You can just say, you can just open it up. 100 into 100 plus 100 into minus 6. That is minus 6 into 100 plus minus 3 into 100 plus minus 3 into minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 6. Now look at this. This is having 100, this is having 100, this is having 100. So you can just say that this is 100 minus 6 minus 3, common 100 you can take outside, plus minus 3 into minus 6. Now I told you in your shortcut method what you are doing actually, minus 3 minus minus 6, and you are just doing 97 plus minus 6. 97 plus minus 6 means 97 minus 6, 91. 97 plus minus 6 you are writing, comma, comma, I told you if you are putting comma you are actually doing into 100 plus minus 3 into minus 6, minus 3 into minus 6. Now look at this. This is exactly what you are getting here also. This 100 minus 3 you can do first. 100 minus 3 is 97 plus minus 6. Plus minus 6 is same as 97 minus 6 into 100 plus minus 3 into minus 6. So actually if you are expanding also you are going to get the same thing. 97 into 94, writing it like this is not a mistake because 97 is 100 minus 3, 94 is 100 minus 6. So did you all understand why this method works? I explained this because now you can do yourself. Instead of 100, if it is 1000, what to do, you can do yourself. When it was near to 10, I derived and showed you. When it was near to 100, I derived and showed you. Now you can derive yourself. When it is near to 1000, what will happen? When it is near to 1000, what will happen? You can derive yourself. And moreover, you can use this when one number is above 100 and one number is below 100, what to do? You can use this method or this derivation to understand it clearly. I'm giving some time to try these 5 questions, but I will explain these questions tomorrow because it is already 10 o'clock. So we will discuss that tomorrow, but please try it and see what is the problem you're encountering when you're trying this. Please make an attempt. First question you attempt. After that, I'll just tell a brief discussion about that and then we will finish today's class. All of you try this. Sir, what is the hint you gave for Pranati's question? Actually, what I was saying that with close together method to do that, you have to learn when the numbers are near to other multiples of 10 also. Other multiples of 10 we haven't covered yet. That is the idea. You have to think about 170 is a multiple of 10 also. Thinking about 170, you can do that method actually. But that we will cover in the 3rd class. Day after tomorrow we will discuss that with them. So anyone tried 109 into 97? With this method, first number plus distance of second number is minus 3. So 109 minus 3. That is okay. 109 plus minus 3. Comma. Then what you have to do? Multiply the complements. This is plus 9, this is minus 3. Plus 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. But minus 27 is not practical. Taken as close to 100. Yeah, kind of that itself, Vijay. But we will improvise that to save more time. So, did you all see this problem? When you multiply this product 9 into minus 3, you are getting minus 27. You cannot write minus 27 here. So what you have to do there? That is where that into 100 concept comes there. So please try that. We will discuss that in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we will discuss if one number is above and one number is below a base, what to do. And we are going to discuss for higher cases of this numbers. What if it is 9998 into 9993 when it is near to 10,000? Or what if it is 999996 into 999985? Near to 1 lakh or near to 10 lakh you can easily do if you are learning this method correctly. So these kinds of near to 1000 we will discuss. Yeah, this is a summary of all the discussion we discussed today and the summary of the discussion we are going to discuss tomorrow also. So these are part of my classes, the flashcards given as part of my classes. I am just giving you as a summary because after the class you can refer this. So I think what I taught you today was interesting for you and you have understood it. So if you want to get more resources like this, you can just check my Unacademy profile, or you can just search Christy Varghese in Unacademy profile to get all the previous special lectures I delivered. Mainly I offer classes for general aptitude also and for Vedic mathematics and speed math techniques. So will the slides be available for download? No, Bijal, the slides are not available for download because it is not through the Unacademy. Yeah, actually the proof was given, Pranati, with the example. If you want a general proof, you can just take N1, N2 and then try the same thing. N1 into N2, you can prove it like this. N1 you are writing it as 100 minus D1. N2 you are writing it as 100 minus D2. And then open the brackets. That is a proof you can say. 100, yeah, if you just multiply, open it. Okay, then thank you, sign up for the good words. Pranati, I will expand this. Look at this. All of you who want the proof for this, this is a proof. With example, I already showed the proof. What if for a general case, how you can prove it? 100 into 100. 100 into 100, I am keeping it as 100 into 100 itself. 100 into D2. 100 into D2 means minus D2. Minus D2 100 or 100 D2. Yeah, 100 D2 you will write. 100 D2 minus 100 d1 plus d1 into d2, or plus minus d1 into minus d2, minus d1 into minus d2. This is what is happening. When the numbers are below 100, this is what is happening. Now, above 100 also, this is the same thing we can say. So now look at this. This is having 100, this is having 100, this is having 100. So I can just write it as 100 minus d1 minus d2, minus d2 minus 100, minus d2 minus d1, minus d1 minus d2, both are same, into the common 100 plus minus d1 into minus d2, minus d1 into minus d2. Now look at this. 100 minus d1 is what? 100 minus d1 is our first number n1. Na? So I can just write n1 there. n1 plus minus d2 is minus d2. Na? Plus minus d2, comma is written into 100. Into 100 plus minus d1 into minus d2. Minus d1 into minus d2. This is exactly our method. Na? What we have proved is n1 into d2, n1 into n2, multiplying two numbers and multiplying like this is exactly the same. First number plus second number distance into 100 plus distance 1 into distance, if you multiply also, will be the same thing. Okay, Vijay, did you understand, Pranati? n1 plus minus d2, you just see. n1 plus minus d2 is what is it? n1 plus minus d2. That is the method we are saying, that n1 plus distance 2. Then, yeah, if it is below 100, it is minus d2. If it is above 100, it is plus d2. That's all. So, into 100 is mentioning, we are mentioning it as comma d1 into d2. So, that is a derivation. So, more discussion we will take it in tomorrow's class. When numbers are 1 above and 1 below, I will separately derive what happens there. So as I told, you all are welcome to attend my Unacademy Plus courses also. If you want to get Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use this referral code CC10, by which you will get a 10% discount on your subscription fees. And these are the subscription packages available in Unacademy. Whichever package you choose, you should choose the package according to the plan of yours for preparing for NET exam, whether it is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and all, 12 months, you can decide accordingly. So whichever package, when you use this referral code, after applying the referral code, you can see that the discount will be applied and you have to pay the remaining amount only. So even if this is an example of a 12-month package, if you are taking the 12-month package, the per month cost will be less. So for that also, after applying the referral code CC10, you will get the discount on it. So that's it. I hope this lecture was interesting for all of you. Mention in the comments what you felt about the lectures also, and these are the free online resources you can access after the class. If you want to access that, you can just text to this WhatsApp number from your WhatsApp 8075116641. You will get a reply, automatic reply, giving the links of all the online resources I provide as part of my classes. There is a website christyvarghese.in. There's a free YouTube channel, Christy's Classes, where I upload many free lectures which you can access. And there's a Facebook page. The name of the Facebook page is Christy's Classes, and there's a free Android application, Christy's Classes, which is available in Android Google Play Store. You can search and find it. This is the details of my online course, which is actually recorded lectures with study materials. You can access that also. And if you're taking Unacademy Plus subscription, this is a referral code you can use, CC10. So thank you all for attending my lectures. These are the details of the Plus courses I'm starting. So all of you are welcome for this Plus courses for Vedic mathematics. If you want to learn Vedic mathematics more or speed math techniques more, which will be useful for any competitive exam, these are the schedule of the courses, which will start from March 1 onwards. 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. will be the timing. If you have any problem in that timing, the recordings also will be available. If any day you are missing the course, the detailed schedule I'm giving here, you can refer the video or you can take a screenshot and see the schedule in detail later. So thank you all. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay.
I'm sorry, before start streaming, I'm so sorry.